Hello, my name is Joshua Marana and I'm from BSIS 2B, and we're going to discuss the vision, mission, goals, and core values of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. First is vision. Vision is a world-class polytechnic university. Next is mission. Mission produce globally competent human capital and research innovation for quality lives. Next is goals. Goals develops and sustain the cultures of innovation, collaboration, responsiveness, and excellence. Lastly is core values. Core values, love of God and country, social responsibility, commitment or dedication to service, and accountability. And that's all. My name is Joshua Malana from BSIS 2.
Tungin na sa'yo, tuloy